In this lab, we're going to compile and run the data flow as it stands so far, and then examine the output. Click on Compile. When we see Compile successful, then we can click Run. Now that the data flow has run, let's take a look at the output. The display shows us it's taken 419 records from the mortgage applicants table, and it's taken 419 records from the mortgage applications table. It's joined them on their common column name, ID, and it's output 419 records. So all records are in common with the ID value between the two tables. Let's have a look at the log. After clicking on View Log, you can see that we have various peak statements down here, entitled Peak 1. They're all Peak 1s, which is the name of our stage here. We then have a 1 or a 0 following it. The 1 or the 0 relate to partition numbers. To improve processing power, processing is split into partitions. These can be thought of as threads. The CPUs then share processing power, and your data flow runs faster. 2 partitions or threads is the default. For very large numbers of records to be processed, then more partitions can be assigned. The 1 or the 0 relate to partitions. We'll be looking at partitions in later courses. But for now, we should have a peak 1 value written 10 times for partition 0 and for partition 1. The reason we get 10 values for each partition is because if we double-click on peak, we can see that we've got number of records per partition is 10. So it's displaying 10 records in partition 0 and 10 records in partition 1, 20 records in total. Thanks for watching.